In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your availability. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Availability. You should arrive at a page that looks like this. Notice there are multiple availabilities on most of the days. That's because this employee is available to work at different locations. There's a different availability for each location she can work at. If I wanted to view my availability in a daily or weekly format instead of monthly, I would go to the top right-hand corner of the calendar and click day, week, or month. I'm going to choose week. And if I want to look at a future week, I can click on the arrow in the upper left-hand corner. And if I want to go back and look at a past week, I can click on the backwards arrow. And if I want to return to today, I will hit the Today button. If I scroll down in the daily or weekly view, I can see the times that I'm available that day. If I want to change this view to only business hours, I scroll down to the bottom and click on Show Business Hours. That will condense my view to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or whenever I have set business hours to be in my default. If I want to go back to the full day, I hit Show Full Day. And that's how you view your availability. To learn how to change your availability, check out the next video.